Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and new activities. So today's do-yourself fun PE game is called Fitness Scrabble. So make sure you stay tuned, and I repeat, do not go anywhere. Alright, so for this fun do-yourself PE game, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to create some squares. Now, I created some Scrabble blocks or Scrabble letters by using a cardboard box and then obviously marking the letters. Now, I have 5 sets of A's, so all of the vowels I have 5 sets of. So I have 5 of the tiles. Everything else I made A through Z one time. And what you're going to also need is a pull noodle, and that's going to help you hold up your letter when you are doing this activity. So stay tuned and I'll demonstrate this activity in just a moment. So here's the setup for Fitness Scrabble. Now I have 2 teams. I have the red team over there and I have the blue team. Each team is going to start with 7 tiles. Now they are allowed to swap these tiles out for some tiles that are laid scattered over here. Now every letter has a point value. And what someone's going to do is, if I have these 7 letters, now let's say I'm on the blue team. I'm going to spread my letters out and I'm going to try to spell a fitness word. Now let's say I'm spelling the word health and I need a letter E. If I do not have a letter E, I'm going to take one of my tiles, I'm going to drop it off and look for a letter E, just right here, and then I'm going to take this one and go back. Now every team's going to have 1 minute to try to get to spell a word. Okay, so let's say my word was health. At the end I would add up all the points at the bottom of the tile, and let's see if my point value was greater than the other team. All right, so Jordan, his word was sit-ups, and he scored a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 more points. That's 7, and a blank is 0. So he scored a total of 7. All right, so I was trying to spell burpee. Unfortunately, I did not get that extra E, so I got 0 points for that round because I did not complete the word. But as you can see, this is a great game for literacy. 3, 2, 1, and go. All right, so Jordan and the red team, their word this time was push-ups. He has 3 plus 1, that's 4, plus 1, that's 5, plus 4 more, that's 9 points. Remember, blanks are not worth anything, but he spelled the word push-ups. All right, so unlike round number 1, round 2, I actually did spell out a word, and I spelled out forces. So again, this could be used for any type of word that belongs to fitness, health. So I got 4 plus 1, that's 5, plus 1, that's 6, plus 3, that's 9, plus E is 10. So I beat Jordan by 1 point round 2. All right, so for round 3, what we want to do is we're going to get kids moving. So in case a student finishes before the 1 minute's up, you can have them do an exercise such as jumping jacks, maybe have them do some planking, do some type of fitness exercise so they're not just standing around waiting. So when we are done, or if we are finished early, we're going to actually do some jumping jacks. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, round 3, red team and Jordan scored S1, Q10. Holy guacamole. That's 11, U 12, 13, 14, and again, blank doesn't count. So 14 points. All right, so I got a total, I spelled the word jump. J was worth 8, U is 1, that's 9, blank is 0, and 3. So we got a total of 12 points. Jordan wins round number 3. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of fitness Scrabble. Please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
And again, don't forget to use the hashtag PE Spot. Please let us know. We'd like to see what type of activities you guys are doing or how you're modifying the games that we're using here at the PE Spot. We'd love to be able to support you guys and definitely help you along with distance learning journey. So make sure you guys, again, please use the hashtag PE Spot. And as always, at the PE Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.